Hey guys, Steve here. Today I wanted to get on and walk you through a little bit of the multiple income funnel. As you can see, you came through my page. You are now officially a member of my team. Why? Because you went through the first income stream, which was the either $49 a month purchase to get the funnel or the $3.99 for the whole year, which is, my opinion, is very much a better deal, right? But before we get started, behind me you see this is a capture page, or not to the left, this is the capture page you would have came through on. Just to remind you, you click this button, you entered your information, right? And it took you over to the sales page, which I'll show you. Let's see. The sales page looked just like this right here. This would have been your sales page, and this is the first leg of your journey. This is the first income stream, and this is where you're presented with a discount of $49 a month. And actually, once you do that, it'll present you with an annual fee. I highly suggest you take the annual. But first, real quick, I want to show you exactly a little blueprint of how you can do this and start this business a little, affordably, okay? Because I'm not all about trying to get your money, right? So what we'll do is we'll go down to my little, I have a little email that I normally send out to everybody. And basically what it is I'll just read it. It just says your name, right? And I will be sending this out as soon as I see you come onto my team, just so I can present you with an idea of how to do this. Now, most people don't even reply. Most people don't, look, let's face it, most people don't reply. They figure they can do it on their own, but they really can't, okay? You can't. That's why I'm reaching out immediately, right? So it says, since you signed up under me, I'm offering my help to get you started. First, make sure you join the Facebook group. Now, this is important. This is the Facebook group, and that is actually part of the setup process when you first come into the funnel. And I'll show you that either later on in this video or in the next video. Second, watch the videos. It's just reminding you to make sure you watch the videos, right? Now, while you're setting up your system, you need to consider your budget, right? As you can see here, okay? And also, if you are new to affiliate marketing, here's my recommendation. I'm not after your money, but I do want to see you be successful. So I'm going to immediately off the bat suggest a way that you can do it affordably without breaking the bank, because I don't want to be in your pockets and I don't want to take food off your table, right? So if you're new to affiliate marketing, here's my recommendation. Go through first and create all the accounts first, right? You go to income stream number one, and I'll show you in these next videos. This is just an overview. You're going to create each account, all 4 accounts, right? And I'm going to walk you through. You're going to go through and you're going to create, because you've already paid for the first income stream, which is $49 a month, or the $3.99. You're going to go to income stream number 2, set up a free account, take a look at what it has to offer. You're going to go to income stream number 3, create an account, take a look and see what it has to offer. Make sure you record all the passwords and the login information, your login, right? Then you're going to go to income stream number four, right? And you're going to create a free account, and you're also going to record the information down, right? Because that's important, because those are your income streams. You need to have that information, because in the back office later on, we're going to ask you for those things. And I suggest you get a notepad similar to this, right? And just put that information in so that you can use it later and copy and paste your information in, right? Or even better, make all of your accounts the same username. Now, if you're already a member of each of these income streams, because they are independent systems, then you already have that information from your previous Easy One Up days, TextBot days, or Traffic Authority days. So you just plug in those things, and all you're really doing, like me, when I got started, the only thing I needed was the funnel, because I was already a member of Traffic Authority, Easy One Up, and TextBot AI. And in fact, the 5th income stream, my lead gen secret, I was already a member of all of those. So all I did was plug in that information. It didn't cost me anything extra because I've already had those programs. But you'll be new, maybe. So just if you would just do what I'm asking you to. So the first income stream, as I just said, is $49 a month. You've already paid for it when you came through the income funnel, and I'll show you real quick again once you get to this page, this is where your video sales letter is. This is where you are actually, click Mac, I'm ready. You'll get presented with, you're going to create your account, and this is where you're going to pay. And you go through, enter your information, and click create my account. And at that particular time, that's when you're going to make your decision to either pay the yearly or the monthly. Okay. Like I said, I highly suggest you do the yearly because you commit for a year. It gives you plenty of time to really have success in this business. And also, it's actually cheaper, right? It comes out to like $38 a month versus $49, which you have a savings. Okay. And you'll qualify for some bonuses that I'll show in a few videos later, right? So that's the first income stream, right? And it'll qualify you to make $20 a month. Let's see if I can zoom in on this, just so I can see this, so it can be bigger. It'll qualify you to earn, let's see, let's go back. Let's try to get this to a proper size. Let's see right here, to qualify you to make $20 a month from all your sales. From anybody else coming through the funnel, you can make $20 residually, right? So the stream is basically paying for the website that you're going to use, your wallet, your technical support, your email autoresponder. It's basically, if you think in business terms, this is your franchise fee for a business, right? The building that you'll be renting. It's your office space. Is that $20 a month. The second stream is called Easy One Up. Now, as I said, you need to go through and just create your accounts. Don't pay for anything yet. Just take your time, go through and just see what's there to offer and make a educated or a conscious decision on what you want to be. Get all the emotion out of it and think with your brain and come up with a budget of how much you want to invest in yourself and in your business. So the price ranges are from $25 all the way to $2,000. And nobody's forcing you to come at anything you don't want to come in at, but just position yourself, because whatever sales you make, that's what you're going to be able to get in commission. So your levels are from $25 all the way to $2,000. Like I said, I suggest come in at the 100 or the 250 mark because that's comfortable for most people, right? And plus you're going to have a budget for later on in order to put in the traffic. Okay. So, and if you don't have it, just create the free account, plug in your information, okay? And just promote only just the funnel so you can get $20 residually and then reinvest it, because that's the name of the game. Reinvest, right? And pick a specific date for you to cash out on that investment. But I highly suggest you come in, at the funnel, definitely the beginning of the funnel, either $49 or $3.99, and then use a little bit of money to invest in the second income stream, because that's where people are really going to that's where you're going to make your money. The third income stream is called TextBot AI. This is totally optional, but like I said, create your account, because eventually when you start building up commissions, you can take that money and reinvest in your business, pay the $100 one time, and immediately qualify for getting $100 commissions a pop direct pay. It's a direct pay program that you can make $100 over and over again. Okay. But like I said, you should concentrate on definitely the first stream, which is the platform, the second stream, which is Easy One Up, because that's where everybody makes their money. So those two are the main ones. And then that third one is optional, can be done later. That's why I got it in red. And then the fourth income stream is Traffic Authority. This is where you're going to get your traffic. And I'll show you that in the middle. I just want to emphasize that. That's where your traffic is going to come from. Now, just create a free account. If you don't have the money, it's kind of pricey, and I'll show you in a minute. But just make sure that you create a budget around what I'm saying here. So you can probably come in to a business, and I'll show you the bottom line here. You can have the $49 a month or the $3.99, come in at between these points here, skip on that, and that's roughly under like about $300 you could come in at. And if it comes in at the high end, you could probably pay about $4 or $5, and you'll have your own business up and running, depending on what you come in here. Because if you spend $4 here, right, you can remember, you'll have no monthly fees if you come in here for a whole year. So that means even after you promote it for a while, and I'll show you different ways to promote it for free. And part of signing on with me at that level, I help you get traffic. Okay. So just so you know that. But anyway, So these are the options. The fifth income stream is optional always. It's $30 a month. You make $5, $4, $3, $2, $1, depending on what level those people come in at. Your first level, you make all fives. If they bring in somebody, you make 4 off of each one of them, and so on and so forth. But I'll break that down in a later video. In this video, I just want to give you an overview and the blueprint of how we're going to be successful in this business. And also, as part of my team, there's other perks like free incentives. Now, let's go through and see a little overview of what. Now, this is the mind map of what we just talked about, right? And I'm beating a dead horse here, but I just want to make sure you understand that there is a plan on how to do this. Okay, so basically you came from either social media posts, right? Some kind of free organic traffic. Free isn't really free. You pay. Free is really time, right? You pay with time. And then you have paid traffic, which is other traffic sources. This is the MIF system's primary traffic source right here. So this is the capture page you would have came through entering your email, right? Immediately you're placed on a autoresponder series that follows up. And on top of that, I follow up with it separately, right? Sending you that email that I just showed you on the last page, plus the system automatically sends you, I think, a 35 day follow-up, right? From there, you get presented with this VSL, which is the video sales letter, where you make your decision to purchase income stream number 1. Like I said, that's income stream number 1. And that video is constantly emailed to you through the email follow-up series, right? And also on the side, I'm emailing you to follow up, offering you my team bonuses, which I'll just click real here and show you just real quick. Here are my bonuses that I can also provide for my team because I have that flexibility, right? So we give away electronics, we can give away trips, depending on which price points you see you come in at different levels, I give you different incentives, right? So that's just part of being on my team. Now, that's this first income stream, and that's that bonus incentives that I offer, nobody else offers that, I offer that, right? So after that, you come through and you get to the back office, which I'll show you in the next video. And these is where you make your decisions on your purchase points for your different streams. You have income stream 2, income stream 3, income stream number 4. And basically what those are Easy One Up, Text by AI, and income stream number 4 is your traffic source, which is basically the fuel for your vehicle. Your vehicle being the business, and the traffic, whether free, organic, or paid, is the fuel for that vehicle to keep it moving. Now that's all in this one system. So you don't have to learn about autoresponders, capture pages. Well, actually, I won't say that. It lets you start generating income and making money, right, while you learn. Because I highly suggest you get your business up and running, which I'm going to help you with. And after that, you concentrate on how to promote it and just the different intricacies of how to promote things online, how to do affiliate marketing, how to write emails correctly. Now, mind you, the system's going to do all of that for you, but you go in addition to, you should do things in addition to letting the automatic system doing it. You should put more effort in. You always want to attain the highest level of excellence as you're starting a new business or any opportunity. And that's all in the mindset training, which is also found in here. And I'll show you that in a later video. So those are your income streams 2 through 4, and also the bonus income stream, which is in my lead gen secret, which is a lead source, which I can show you the tactic that I use in order to consistently get signups from that lead source. Okay, so that's the basic overview that I wanted to touch over in this video. And in the next video, we're going to get a little further in the multiple income funnel. So until then, I'll catch you later.